I absolutely love these reusable shopping bags I got from Green Bulldog. So much, in fact, that I have another color as well. And look how compact they are. I absolutely love that. Really a space saver. And it's so easy to set up. All you have to do is open it up, and then you just pull down on this flap, and there you go. Simple as that. Reinforced bottom, reinforced sides, and it also comes with shoulder straps, or if a load is heavier, you can even use these side straps as well. They're also reinforced with these rivets, so they're very heavy duty. It can even hold up to 65 pounds. Really nice. And let me show you a close-up of what it looks like. Here's a close-up of what the bag looks like, and as you can see, it has rivets on the handles. Even the side handles have it too. And it's also reinforced. And the bottom is also reinforced too. Perfect. These bags are great for the grocery store, picnic, shopping, and even a laundry basket. And they're also so large too. They measure 14.5 inches by 10 inches by 10.5 inches. And these are just so great and easy to also put away. There's a tab right here that all you have to do is pull on it, and then it just collapses right in itself. How perfect and compact is that? Absolutely love it. And I think you will too. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.